1130 deaths per hour, that's the cancer death statistics. But what terrifies us even more is the traumatizing side effects of cancer drugs. Imagine a day when we are not traumatized by the side effects of cancer drugs anymore. This was the imagination, the dream that didn't let me sleep for last 2 decades. Hi, I'm Dr. Nusrat Sangamitra, founder and CEO of Cygenica, an inventor of GEENIE. It's a novel protein nanoneedle that revolutionizes how drugs enter into our cells. My journey started 25 years ago when I began my PhD in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and my father got cancer. It fueled my passion to make cancer drugs with fewer side effects. During my PhD, I synthesized a lot of new molecules, and they were all interesting in the lab, but they were very toxic in the animal. And then I switched my research area from chemistry to protein engineering to cell biology until I discovered a new protein nanoneedle that could enter through the cell membrane by an unconventional cell entry mechanism without damaging the cells. Current drug delivery systems are fundamentally flawed. Firstly, they are positively charged. That leads to high toxicity. Secondly, they enter through the cell membrane by a conventional cell entry mechanism called endocytosis, in which anything that sits on the membrane, cell kind of drinks it, forming ball-like structures called endosomes. And only 2 to 3% of the drugs come out of these endosomes to reach the intracellular target. And thirdly, they are not targeted. That is why oftentimes this leads to the usage of high therapeutic doses and limited therapeutic efficacy. As opposed to this, GEENIE is negatively charged. It has a unique cell entry mechanism by which it directly interacts with the cell membrane, goes in bypassing endosomes. And in this way, as opposed to 2 to 3%, now all the drugs are available to go to the intracellular target site. In addition to this, we have engineered target specificity onto it. Because of these unique features, GEENIE is non-toxic, it doesn't give any adverse immune reaction and gives the same effect with 40% less dose. And that's how we are overcoming the limitations of existing drug delivery platforms. GEENIE is a versatile delivery platform that can deliver not just chemotherapy drugs, but RNA-based drugs, protein-based drugs, and genome editing drugs like CRISPR. Each of them has a growing billion-dollar market. This puts us at the forefront of drug delivery. We have validated it in animal models of brain tumor and HER2-positive gastric cancer. GEENIE is a high-value technology. As of 2024, we have raised $2.4 million. With that, we have achieved significant milestones: 3 granted patents, 1 US FDA orphan drug designation, and 3 partnerships with global pharma companies in the segment of siRNA, antisense oligo, and neoantigen vaccines. Each of these 3 markets are growing billion-dollar markets. This is how we are able to demonstrate early validation of our drug delivery platform GEENIE and the potential to generate early revenues from our developmental efforts. We have an internationally trained, truly global team across India, Ireland, and US. I am a PhD in chemistry with postdoctoral experience in biofunctional chemistry and inventor of our core technology. My co-founder, Dr. Fazlul Krishnan, holds an MBA in healthcare management and extensive experience in health policy implementation. In addition to that, we have an excellent advisory board who are ex-biotech founders and senior pharma executives, having decades of experience in pharma deal making, product development, and commercialization and clinical development. Cancer has affected all of us in one way or other. We all have watched someone battle. That is because cancer treatment itself is painful, and our innovation can reduce that pain. Till date, whatever results we have got, that supports our belief. Your investment would help turn that dream, that belief into reality.